Hey guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video I'll show you how to easily disable startup apps in Windows 11. So guys, this will only take a few clicks, and you can do this both from the settings that you can open, or you can just use your start menu and then use your search and then do it the same way. So whichever is comfortable for you, just follow my lead. So I'll just use the search bar in the settings and just type in startup. Right, and then you're looking to click on this little tile, Startup Apps. So in here under Startup Apps, you will see all of the apps that are starting when you launch your system, so in the login, and you can disable them with these toggles. So as you can see, I have some of them, like Slack. I don't really check Slack, so I just disable it. If I ever need it for work, then I just open it up myself. So just check which apps you have running. If you don't need some of them, go ahead and disable them. Very easy to do. And that's it for this one, guys. Enjoy, and if this was helpful, subscribe.